In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit the background on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to refresh your website's look or just want to add a personal touch, changing the background can make a significant difference. Let's dive in and transform your site together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the section of your Squarespace site where you'd like to make changes. Once you're on the right page, simply hover over the section you wish to modify. As you do this, you'll notice a pencil icon appearing, which is the Edit section tool. Clicking this will open up the Editor panel, your gateway to customizing that section. Once inside the editor, direct your attention to the Background tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to altering the look and feel of your website's background. The Background tab provides several options for you to choose from, ensuring you can align it perfectly with your vision. Now, let's talk about the different media options available to you. If you have your own image or video that you want to set as the background, you can easily upload it by clicking the Upload Media button. This is a fantastic option if you have branding elements or specific visuals that you want to showcase prominently on your site. Remember, high-quality images or videos can significantly enhance the professional look of your site. Alternatively, if you don't have your own media or if you're in the mood for some fresh inspiration, you can browse through Squarespace's built-in stock library. Squarespace offers a wide array of stock images and videos, curated to suit various themes and styles. This library is a treasure trove for finding that perfect background without needing to source images externally. For those who prefer dynamic content, Squarespace also enables you to use a video link from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. This option is perfect if you want to add a video background that can engage your audience in a more interactive way. Just make sure that the video is set to public and copy the link directly into the provided space. This will give your site an edge by offering movement and life to your background, creating an immersive experience for your visitors. As you make these changes, it's always a good idea to preview your site and see how the new background works with the rest of your content. Adjustments can always be made to ensure everything looks cohesive and visually appealing. Remember, backgrounds should complement your content, not overpower it, so keep an eye on the overall balance and harmony of your design. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly edit the background on Squarespace, allowing you to create a website that truly reflects your style and purpose. Don't hesitate to experiment with different options until you find the perfect fit for your site. Thanks for watching and happy designing.